General Stats, and welcome to week 3 of your online course. This week, we do have 2 deadlines. One is the final deadline for the unit because you will have a unit test during your WIN session on Thursday. Let's just highlight those deadlines again. They're right here on the right-hand side. On Monday by 3 p.m., you must have completed sections 1.4 and 1.5. Anything uncompleted after that time earns a 0, and the credit cannot be earned. The last deadline is going to be Thursdays when you take your summative assessment for Unit 1. At that time, when you come into your WIN session, all of your work must have been completed that was remaining for the chapter, and then you'll be taking your test. Now, you have to attend this WIN session. If you don't, it means you skip the test and you get a 0 and you've missed the deadline. You cannot make up this test if you do not attend this WIN session. Listen to that very carefully. If you do not attend this WIN session, you get a 0 and the test is not retakeable. You cannot make it up. This is a very hard deadline on this one. So please make sure that you make this WIN session. Communicate to me otherwise if there's an issue. And there should not be, because you're expected to be here for those wins. Now, when you come in to take the test, all you really need is a pencil and your calculator. You're going to have 30 minutes because there's 3 WIN sessions this week. 30 minutes should be sufficient. You're going to want to know the material, though, to be able to complete the test accurately, obviously. The other thing I want to mention is because of the WIN sessions, with the 3 WIN sessions, the reason we're doing that, we have some Link Crew stuff going on. I know who are Link Crew leaders. And I looked and saw when you were not available, and I selected the sessions you were available. It is your responsibility to double check, triple check that you are locked in for a WIN session for me. I believe I have everyone, but there have been some schedule changes. And on those schedule changes, maybe you're a new student and I didn't catch it and you need to be locked in. Put yourself in a WIN session if not, and lock yourself and tell me and I can lock you in. So keep in mind you have 1 session to take this actual exam. Again, make sure that you're prepared. You're more than welcome to swing by and see me in room C205, or sometimes I'm next to Mr. Sobiak's room in the math workroom, or shoot me an email. Now, the last thing I want to wrap up with is there's another little kind of assignment for watching this video. If you are watching and listening to this video right now, that's great. You're taking time to do that. Not everyone does that. I can tell people will come and ask me questions that I clearly stated on the video on Monday morning. So what I want to do is have an assignment for those of you that take the time to watch and listen to these videos. Here's your assignment. By this Monday by 3 p.m., so September 18th, send me an email. My email address is landonn@277apps.org. It's LANDONN@277apps.org. In that email, tell me 3 things. 1, your full name. 2, which course are you in? And 3, what is your favorite color? If you get that in by 3 p.m., I will give you credit for that assignment. Now, here's the deal. I wouldn't tell anybody else. If someone watches and listens to the video, they're going to get it. They're going to do it. If not, why should you have to sit through the video and watch and listen to me, and they get the perk of not having to do it? So you know what? I wouldn't tell your friends if they're in this class. If they catch it on their own, great. So that's my 2 cents for it. I don't think it's fair for them to have to piggyback off of you and to make you do the work for them. So anyway, enough of that. That is the rest of what I wanted to talk about for week 3. Have a great week 3. Track me down as you are studying for this first test, I should say. We are going to have 6 tests in total. So have a great week 3, and I will see you all on Thursday. Bye-bye.